Hello and salam sejahtera. We are from Group 1 and we're gonna present to you our group assignment which is titled Takaful Waqf in Malaysia. Sejahtera and my name is Emma Stephanie Anabanda with metric number BG2216064. Today I will gonna present to you the introduction of Waqf Takaful contract. Takaful is an Islamic insurance concept in mutual and shared responsibility in the contract. Takaful also is one of kind contractual transferees for a profit such as tabaru and tawa'un. Takaful contract also free from the prohibited things such as riba, gara, and maisir. For example, the one who taking the takaful contract is involved in accident and they will get a benefit from it. Next, Waqf. Waqf is used as holding and preservation of a certain sadaqah, which is charity, with intention of prohibiting any use or disposition property. Waqf also give benefit or support for needy in construction development, education, and healthcare. For example, Waqf had contributed to build malls, construction, and education institutions. Wakaf Takaful. Wakaf Takaful has started by Syarikat Takaful Malaysia Berhad STMB by Islamic Bank in 1983. Wakaf Takaful is one of collection method to increase the amount of cash wakaf in contract. It is an integration between two concepts which is Takaful and Wakaf contract. That's it from me. Thank you.
Scholar view on Waqf Ibnu Qudamah Al-Mughni is a book of comparative fiqh in the Hanbali school of thought. In Al-Mughni, Ibnu Qudamah emphasized Waqf as a charitable act that benefits society and provides ongoing reward for the donor. Aligned with the principle of Waqf Takaful, highlight the various ways of Waqf can be used to fulfill community needs. Next is Ibn Taymiyah highlight the importance of Waqf as a key solution for addressing the needs of the poor and underserved in Islamic society. In Majmu' al-Fatawa, explained that Waqf help to reduce inequalities and support vulnerable groups aligned with the higher objective of Sharia. Next is scholar view on Waqf Takaful. Dusuki 2007 explained that Waqf Takaful is a Sharia compliant system. Waqf Takaful avoids riba and gharar, making it an ethical alternative to conventional insurance. Abdullah and Abdul Rahman 2017 explore how Waqf Takaful models can be used to promote financial inclusion and address poverty within an Islamic framework. They also describe Waqf Takaful as an innovative Islamic insurance model that combines Waqf, charitable endowment, and Takaful mutual risk sharing to promote financial inclusion and alleviate poverty.
Next, for literature review part, Muamalat et al. 2020 emphasizes the lack of takaful product designed for disaster relief, proposing a Waqf-based takaful model to relieve financial burdens on disaster victims, especially in flood-affected communities. This model promotes social solidarity and collaboration between takaful operator and Waqf institution to ensure compliance with Sharia principles. Muneza et al. 2024 introduced a pilot model combining cash wakaf and takaful to support the elderly financial sustainability using crowdfunding for consistent support while maintaining Sharia compliance. Further research is suggested to validate the model effectiveness and explore broader policy implications. Next, Malaysia has experimented with Waqf Takaful through Syarikat Takaful Malaysia Berhad from 2002 to 2009, but the plan was eventually withdrawn due to operational challenges. The other one, Muhammad Al Faiz, Wan Abdul Rahman, and Salmi Yaqub 2014, suggests that a revised Waqf Takaful model could success if trust transparency and risk assessment processes are improved, and if partnership with Waqf institution are strengthened. Zakaria et al. 2019 examined the potential of Waqf-based Takaful Fund to provide financial aid for Malaysia B40 income group, aiming to enhance financial inclusion and stability by supporting low income.
Wakala Wakaf model. In this model, our participant joins the Takaful plans by making contribution money. Wakala fee is the fee goes to Takaful operator who manage the operation. Contribution are divided into two parts. First is participant account for investment and Wakaf fund for helping those in need. In investment, money in participant account is invested to Sharia compliance way to grow the fund over time. And Takaful benefit is when participant needs help, example, death or disability. And Wakaf fund provides financial support. Surplus is if there extra money left after paying claim and expenses, it can be shared with participant. In shortly, participants pool their contribution, invest to grow the fund, and support each other when help is needed. The Takaful operator manage their plan and ensure it runs smoothly.
So next I will continue our presentation with the hybrid model. This is the figure number 2, which is the hybrid of Wakala and Mudaraba model.
The hybrid Wakala and Mudaraba model combines two key contracts in Takaful, Wakala for risk management and Mudaraba for investment. Under this model, participants' contributions are allocated into two main funds, which is the investment fund for managed under Mudaraba, and the risk fund is managed for under Wakala. The investment fund is used for Sharia compliant investment, and profits are shared between participants and the Takaful operator based on agreed ratio. The risk fund is used to settle participants' claims, with the Takaful operator reserve a Wakala fee as compensations. Any surplus in the risk fund after all claims are settled is shared between participants and the operator. This model ensures a balance between risk management and investment, provide fair profit sharing, initiative the operator to deliver quality service, and fully adhere to Sharia principles. The Waqf Takaful plan is the only Takaful product in Malaysia that combines Takaful and Waqf, introduced by Takaful Malaysia Berhad in 2002. This plan applies the Mudaraba principle alongside Waqf, where participants contribute through Waqf and the benefits are allocated to Waqf beneficiaries upon maturity participants' death or early withdrawal. For plan requirement, the first one is contributions. Participants must contribute to form the plan's fund, and the second is plan duration, flexible terms from 5 until 45 years ending before age 75, and the installment is minimum RM10 per month, and payment method is direct payment, salary deductions or bank instructions, and for naming beneficiaries, participants can name Waqf beneficiaries. So that's all for me, thank you.
Okay, next I'm gonna present about the issue and challenges in Waqf Takaful. First is lack of awareness. Many individuals are unaware of how Waqf operates within the Takaful system. It can be leading to skepticism about its benefits compared to traditional financial products. The absence of formal education and a limited public awareness campaign contribute to this confusion, preventing people from understanding how Waqf fund can provide long-term advantage, like financial protection and community contribution. Additionally, the difference between Waqf Takaful and conventional Takaful are often poorly explained to others, so it can further discouraging participation. Okay, next is big issue regarding cash Waqf. The legitimacy of cash Waqf is debated among Islamic scholars.
so it creates uncertainty for potential people to participate in Waqf Takaful. While traditional Waqf involved immovable property, cash Waqf risk question both its validity due to its convertible nature. Some scholars have supported cash Waqf for its flexibility in funding community projects, but some of the scholars has rejected this. This divergence in opinion leads to confusion among those interested in Waqf Takaful, as they may not know whether the cash contributions are acceptable or not. Next is surplus distribution in Waqf Takaful model. Unlike conventional Takaful, where the participant can share in separate profit, Waqf Takaful does not allow for surplus distribution because the fund remains as Waqf property. This lack of direct financial benefit can make Waqf Takaful less attractive to potential participants. Takaful operators need to emphasize the social and community benefits among the Waqf contribution to encourage participants, ensuring transparency in fund management to demonstrate the positive impact of investment on community welfare and development. Last but not least, trustworthiness and transparency. Trust is crucial for participants in Takaful Waqf, as they need assurance that their funds are managed transparently and responsibly. Concern arises when operators do not adhere strictly to Sharia principles, potentially leading to investment in non-halal instruments. To build trust among the participants, the Takaful operator must provide clear, detailed report on the management and investment of Waqf fund, ensuring that all action.
So now we move to the issue and problem solving recommendation, and the first recommendation is educational campaign. Educational campaigns are essential for raising awareness about Waqf Takaful using workshops and online resources to engage communities and promote participation. The next recommendation is engaging scholars' unified approach to cash Waqf. So the administrator should engage scholars from diverse schools of thought in dialogue for build a unified and inclusive understanding of cash Waqf. While the third recommendation is develop loyalty and reward program. A loyalty and reward program can help Takaful operator strengthen participant connection by offering meaningful benefits. So our last recommendation is enhancing sincerity and transparency in Waqf Takaful fund management by involving independent auditors and having a Sharia board oversee investment.
Is for conclusion. Waqf Takaful is Sharia compliant insurance model, which is an innovative Islamic finance model that combines with the principle of Waqf and Takaful. Even though the application of the Waqf Takaful model is effectively impact on the community, especially on the local community such as Malaysia, the innovation has faces a several issues and problems, which can be stated are fake issues regarding cash Waqf and the issue of the surplus contribution in the Waqf Takaful model. As any transaction in Islamic finance must be aligned with Sharia principle to avoid any necessity in the future. It is important to have ready and effective solution to the problem arise to broaden the application of Waqf Takaful instrument. That's all from our group. Thank you.